You've got to work, every job is different. You look at every vehicle, it's a different, you know, it's a totally new job. You've got to work out the techniques where you're going to go before you start anything. Get an idea in your head, do a test plan, because it's not a job that you can go into half-hearted. It's a commitment, and you've got to really enjoy it, because if you're not enjoying it, and you feel that you're not going to enjoy it, really don't go into it. It's one of them jobs, unfortunately, once it gets in your bloodstream, you can't get rid of it. Even if you change your career, you end up wanting to work on cars. For the first few months, you'll be doing things and you won't be understanding them. And then you'll have a light bulb moment when you actually understand when people are saying, right, what's the tool sets on that? You're going to know what it is. But we've got nice facilities, we've got good equipment. I like to think that we get on well with the students, and if they do have any problems, they can actually ask us.